Morning, Yuri. What note do you have for me today? Let's see. Isoline rules. Edge of page or circle and don't touch. Son, Yuri. That's what you put instead of love, Yuri. Okay, thanks, buddy. So let's look at an isoline map. Put our rules right on here for us. When you're drawing isolines, remember there could be isobars, isotherms, contour lines, but they're all the same rules, okay? So the rules for isolines. Edge of page, circle, don't touch. When we look at this isoline map here, they're going to ask you to draw the line, and there's a few things that you do. You do the dot method, and you connect all of them. And once you're done, you do a scan. So I'm going to cut over to where you can see me draw. Take it easy, Yuri, and then we'll go from there. Okay, let's go through some of the things that they can ask of us on one of these isoline diagrams. First, sometimes they'll give you isolines, and then they may make you draw one or two of them. Okay, so you got to remember the rules. Now, I bubbled in a couple of 50s that I saw. They want us to draw the 50 and the 60. So I'm looking for all my different 50s. There's a 40, there's a 57. This is what I call a hidden 50. So you've got to try to find where as many 50s would be as possible. 42, a hidden 50. So you've got to try to find where as many 50s would be as possible. 42 and 57. I know that there must be 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 57. So 56, 50, 56, 40. I just keep going around and I look for numbers above and below. And once I'm pretty confident, once I have enough dots, I connect my dots and I have to get to the edge of the page, okay? And I connect them, and I always do this in pencil. I can't live on the edge. I got to check to make sure I can erase something like that. Here's how I double check. On one side of the line, these should all be in the same number. These are all the 40s. On the other side of the line, these all need to be more than 50. So if I see a 40 sticking out on one side of the line, these should all be in the same number. These are all the 40s. On the other side of the line, these all need to be more than 50. So if I see a 40 sticking out of the crowd, I know that I made a mistake. If I do the 60, I'm going to do the same thing. Try in your brain, or hit pause on the video right now and try to draw your 60 mentally. There would be a 60. 57 and 64, there would be a 60. 50, 61, there would be a 60. 50, 60. I just keep finding as many 60s as I think I can. 57 and 61, there's got to be a 60 in between. Not here though. 57, 58, 59, 60 is way over here. 59, 63, 60's got to be over here. So make as many 60s as you can. Make sure you get to the edge of the page. Okay? Got to connect all your dots and make sure they go through. Got to get to the edge of the page. You can't stop. You could make a circle. This one doesn't show a circle. Now to double check. Everything on this side needs to be in the 50s and everything on this side needs to be in the 60s. That's how I know that I drew that right. Other things they could ask you to do with an isoline map. Okay? They could say, where is the wind the strongest? Where is the gradient the steepest? Okay? You've got to remember. Take a picture of that one for your notes. When isolines are close, gradient's the most. So wherever those isolines are the closest, that's where gradient would be the most. So like between W and X, wind the strongest. Where is the gradient the steepest? Okay? You've got to remember. Take a picture of that one for your notes. When isolines are close, gradient's the most. So wherever those isolines are the closest, that's where gradient would be the most. So like between W and X, I have the highest gradient. Another note. Why were you talking so fast? I wasn't talking so fast. This is how I normally talk. Something was going on with the video.
When are you going to start school?